Burning scented candles is a very common habit for several people. They make the environment cozier and have very nice scents. The problem with candles, both scented and unscented, is that they can be harmful to our bodies. First of all, when candles are burned, they release lead and other toxic substances into the air, almost as harmful as the substances found in cigarettes. Secondly, they produce soot, which has been tied to asthma attacks, breathing problems, and even premature death. So, is there a healthier alternative? In today's video, we're going to teach you a safer way to make your home smell good. You can make your own scented candles by using tangerine peel. It's natural, safer, and cheaper. You will need a tangerine, a little olive oil, and a candle wick. Here's how to make it. Cut a tangerine into equal halves. Peel each half carefully and eat the insides. Don't ever use dried peel because they will simply burn up. Place the candle wick in the middle of the tangerine peel bowl and fill it at 1/4 of the way up with olive oil. This will be the base of your candle. Don't use too much olive oil in order not to cause any accidents. With the other half of the peel, cut out a circular or star shape. This is necessary in order to keep the flame from burning the top part of the candle. Next, light the wick. This isn't always easy, so it may be best to wait for it to have soaked up some of the olive oil before lighting it. Finally, put the other half of the peel with the hole on top to complete your candle. It stays lit for about 30 minutes, looks very pretty, and smells great. Try it out at home and tell us what you think. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.